In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a live masterclass in Kajabi. If you want to host a live session directly inside Kajabi, this is a simple way to do it using a course product. This setup works especially well if your masterclass is part of a paid offer or something you want your existing members to access from inside their course area. The good news is that Kajabi gives you a built-in live video option, so once you know where to find it, the setup is pretty straightforward. To get started, head over to your Kajabi dashboard. This is your main control center, and from here you'll be able to access the products area where your courses live. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Products. This is where Kajabi stores the different types of learning experiences and digital offers you create. After that, click on Courses. Since this live masterclass will be created inside a course product, this is the section you need. If you already have a course where you want the live class to appear, you can use that. If not, you can create a new course specifically for this masterclass. Either option works, so choose the one that makes the most sense for how you want your audience to access the event. Next, create a new course or open an existing one. If you're building a dedicated masterclass experience, creating a fresh course can help keep everything organized. On the other hand, if this live session is just one part of a larger program, opening an existing course may be the better choice. The important thing here is simply getting into the course workspace where Kajabi lets you adjust the course settings. Once you're inside the course, click on Settings. This is where Kajabi gives you control over course-level features, including the option to enable live video. Inside the settings area, look for the option that says Provide a live video session for this course and toggle it on. Turning this on is what transforms the course into one that can host a scheduled live session. If you don't enable this setting, the live masterclass details won't be available to configure, so make sure this step is completed before moving on. After that, enter your title. Choose a clear, descriptive title for your masterclass so people immediately understand what the live session is about. A strong title helps set expectations and makes the event feel polished and intentional. Try to keep it specific and easy to recognize, especially if your audience may be accessing multiple lessons or programs inside Kajabi. Then enter your description. This is where you explain what attendees can expect from the session. You can briefly summarize the topic, mention what they'll learn, and add any important context that helps people prepare. A good description can also reduce confusion because it tells members exactly what the live class is for and why they should attend. Keep it concise, but make sure it gives enough detail to be useful. Next, set your scheduled date and time. This is one of the most important parts of the setup because Kajabi uses this information to organize the live session for your audience. Be careful here, and double check that the date and time are correct before saving. It's also a good idea to think about your audience's time zone and choose a time that's practical for the people you want to attend. Even though the setup itself is simple, accurate scheduling makes a big difference in how smoothly your event goes. Once everything looks good, click Save. This confirms your live video settings and stores the title, description, and scheduled time inside the course. After saving, your live masterclass setup is in place, and you'll be ready to continue preparing the actual session content and attendee experience from there. That's how to make a live masterclass in Kajabi using the built-in course live video feature. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a clean and professional setup that's easy for your members to access.